What's up, everybody? This is Eric, the tech preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. So I'm in my studio. I got it completely torn apart, broken down. As y'all guys know, if you watch my YouTube channel, sometimes I do different camera angles. But one of my biggest woes is an overhead shot. I usually take my camera, one of my cameras, and I kind of point it towards the product that I always shoot on a stand like this. Sometimes it's no good. I need a permanent solution to have an overhead camera. So what I did was I went to Amazon and I bought a little $40 stand. And I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description below. And I'm gonna try to see if I can have a permanent solution for the problem that I have in my studio. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So no shades today, not looking like Pitbull. I'm in here ready to do some work. All right, so I got my Amazon package came in. This is gonna be the Limo Studio I got for like 30 bucks. 40 bucks on Amazon. And all this is a video backdrop. That's all this is. And I'm gonna take this video backdrop and turn it into an overhead camera setup. So let's go ahead and get it done. Now I do have some tools. I went to Lowe's and I bought some tools. I don't think I'm gonna need them all. So in this project, what I have to do is, I also ordered some clamps from Amazon for my camera, but unfortunately, they on like back order for like a month. I can't wait that long. I got so much product to review. I don't have no time to wait for clamps and all kinds of stuff. And I went to Home Depot and Lowe's, and I can't get a replication of those type of clamps that I need for my camera. So I'm gonna make one. So that's why I have all the tools and everything here. But this came in finally after waiting a while, because again, I got so much product reviews, it's really stacking up to the max. So let's go ahead and take this out of the box. All right, so it comes with the two bags here. These two bags right here is supposed to give it stability. You can put sand in here so the product wouldn't fall. I'm not gonna need this. Here we got a nice carrying case. Okay, not gonna need this also. Got clips. See these clips? I got plenty clips. Boom, that's right. So let's start this project. So the concept of this project, you got two stands, one on each side of the table. Then you have the pole that this wing nut connects to, and then you have a pole that goes across. Now, here's a problem that I'm gonna run into. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any 1/4 clips in there, so I have to make one. I got to drill, and I'm gonna drill a hole in the pole. Don't know if this is gonna work or not. I'm gonna try it. Let's do it. So what I have to do right now is I have to actually set the table up and then kind of pinpoint exactly where I'm going to drill my hole at and go from there. So let's go ahead and get my table set up the way I need to get it set up, and I'm gonna drill a hole and hey, go from there. Again, hey, it's my first time doing it. If I screw it up, it ain't up but 40 bucks, so it's no big deal. And plus, you can't go wrong with extra stands. So let's do this. All right, guys, so I want y'all guys to see this pole. All right, so the pole right now, and kind of give y'all guys some camera angles here. As you can see the pole going from here all the way up here. All right, as y'all guys can see the pole. All right, so what I want to do is, since I have my table set up and I got the pole ready to go. Now, when I have my camera pointing in front of me, that's fine. Or if I'm shooting a video back there, that's fine. What I needed to do is get this set up perfectly, so when I make my cut or my drill, when I drill my hole, I want to be right on point. So look like I would be fine at drilling the hole through the extension pole instead of two poles. So look like I got it nice and extended out. and I want to kind of get it even Steven. So when I drill a hole, because hey, here's the thing. I might can move it around a little bit, but once I pop this hole in here, it's gonna be permanent when I stick my camera on here. So as y'all guys can see, I don't have anything connected. I just want to kind of trace how I could have my camera right in the middle when I'm doing overhead shots. So I just want to show y'all guys that. So let's go. So there it goes. All right, got it nice and tight. And wow, this is my first time doing that. So let's talk about this for a second. All this stuff that I did right here, I had this already, you know, in my arsenal. If you wanted to get this, I mean, I had one, got this with my light. So I already had this already. This pole and this stand or whatever, 40 bucks. These tools and all these nuts and all these stuff that I bought, I mean, like $2. All right, so that was pretty easy, really easy. Now let's go to put everything together and see what it's all about. And the camera that I'm going to use is the M50. The M50 is a camera that I will keep as my overhead camera because I use other cameras to do my front facing and other angles. So I'm gonna use my M50 to complete this project. Let's go. So I got my camera on here and it's looking really sturdy. Now I took the lens off. It don't make no sense to have a big old lens on the overhead shot. So I put the 18 to 55 millimeter lens on the M50. So because that's all I need. I don't need no high apertures or stuff like that with this overhead shot. So I got a nice little clean lens that's coming over on my M50. So all in all, I'm done. It's really pretty sturdy, looks good. I got it even. Again, this is my first time doing this. I'm gonna just let y'all know that. So if I can do it, you could do it. So this was pretty neat. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna set everything up, put everything together, and give y'all a tour on how I look in this video. So let's go and do all that. All right, guys, so this is the setup. All right, I got the overhead camera here that I just did. DIY, it took me about 30 minutes to do this. Again, the stand, I will leave all the links in the description below, but this is the stand. I just popped a quick hole in it and I just put a screw in there, as you can see, and boom, this is my M50. I put the kit lens on it. I got the overhead camera going. As you can see, now I got full overhead camera going. All right, so I do have my front camera here. All right, and I got all that good to go. I got my wireless setup. All right, so I have the wireless setup and I have that on me. And I have my PC right here. Along with my PC, I have my monitor here. So I got my PC, I have my monitor, and I put these phones here on the table. I got a little mat because as you can see, right there, the mat gonna make it look really good. So now, with my wireless solution as far as mics, I have everything good to go here. I got my lighting set up. I have a big light there. I have a big light there pointing towards that background, okay? I have this light right here that's gonna be pointed towards me. I have another light that's behind me here. Now this light is gonna be pointed towards that also. So here it is. This is my overhead camera setup. It didn't take me that long to do it. And there it is. All right, guys, so this is my setup here. This is the front camera, and I have the camera above me. And so what I like about Canon cameras is that they do pixel autofocus, which is nice. So I don't have to worry about focusing issues and stuff like that. So I'm cool with the dual pixel autofocus on the Canon camera, so I don't have to worry about this looking up because I do see the camera above me. So I put this placemat right here. All right, this placemat gonna be important for me because I can, you know, have the front camera going towards me, and I can demonstrate all kinds of things, and I got my overhead camera running at the same time. So it's gonna be pretty neat. This is gonna be the way I'm gonna do things. This is nice. So I wanted to do this video because I've been trying to do an overhead camera for a long time, and unfortunately, all the parts and everything that's going on right now, I was unable to get the parts and stuff. I got a lot of stuff on back order and stuff like that. So as you can see, the overhead camera, now I can do my unboxings. I can do a lot of things right here, and not having any issues as far as overhead camera. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Look, this project took me about 30 minutes to do. I am not an expert at this, so I did this based off of a $30 part, and the stand cost me, the stand cost me $40. So I figured if I messed this up, it was only gonna be a $40 loss. All the parts and stuff that I went to Home Depot, that stuff cost a few bucks. I already had a drill already, so that wasn't a big deal. So all in all, this project of mine only cost me roughly 50 bucks with the stand and all the little tools and stuff included. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.